You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly from the verb deaf, which means lacking the power of hearing. When you cannot hear or somebody cannot hear very well, he or she may be deaf. The corresponding word here is pronounced deafening. De-fe-ning. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. Stress on the first syllable. Deafening. De-fe-ning. How to pronounce deafening? Deafening pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.